Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 2323, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 2323? What's the symbolism of 2323? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 2323 mean for love? What does 2323 mean for twin flames? What does 2323 for manifestation? How does angel number 2323 affect finances? What does 2323 mean for former relationships? How does 2323 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 2323? What are the weaknesses of angel number 2323? What's the meaning of angel number 2323? Angel number 2323 is a powerful message of creativity, communication, and aligned action. It combines the energies of numbers 2 and 3, each appearing twice to amplify their influence. Number 2 represents harmony, cooperation, and balance, while number 3 relates to expression, joy, and spiritual growth. Seeing 2323 suggests that your angels are encouraging you to express your truth, trust in partnerships, and pursue your passions confidently. It's a sign that you are supported in both relationships and creative endeavors. Your thoughts and intentions are taking form. Continue focusing on positive outcomes and working in harmony with others and the universe. What's the symbolism of angel number 2323? Angel number 2323 symbolizes the harmony between communication and cooperation. Number 2's symbolism lies in relationships, diplomacy, and partnership, while number 3 adds energy, enthusiasm, and self-expression. Together, these numbers point to a need for balance between connection with others and personal creativity. The repetition of this sequence emphasizes duality and expression, signaling that collaboration and communication are essential to your current path. Symbolically, 2323 is also tied to inspiration, spiritual support, and synchronicity. It encourages you to share your gifts with the world while nurturing meaningful bonds, suggesting a time of energetic alignment and purposeful social interaction. What is the angel number 2323's spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 2323 signifies growth through communication, creativity, and collaboration. It's a divine sign encouraging you to speak your truth and pursue your spiritual passions with joy and openness. Number 3's presence twice highlights a strong connection to the ascended masters, who support your journey and creativity. Number 2 invites you to trust in divine timing and the importance of spiritual partnership. This number calls for alignment between your inner guidance and outer expression. Spiritually, it urges faith, encourages the expression of your authentic self, and reminds you that joy, service, and creativity are sacred aspects of your journey. What does the angel number 2323 mean for love? In love, angel number 2323 signals a period of connection, communication, and renewed emotional harmony. It suggests that love will thrive when honesty and openness are prioritized. If you're in a relationship, 2323 encourages you to deepen your bond through meaningful conversations and shared joy. If single, it's a sign that love may soon enter your life, especially a relationship built on mutual respect and lighthearted energy. The number reminds you to embrace both emotional balance, 2, and playful self-expression, 3. Love should feel uplifting and empowering, and this number confirms that heart-led relationships are part of your divine path. What does angel number 2323 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 2323 signifies growth through mirrored communication, balance, and divine alignment. This number often appears during phases of transformation or reunion, reminding both twins to maintain harmony within themselves and their connection. The mirrored pattern reflects the twin flame dynamic, two souls growing through reflection. Number 2 symbolizes partnership and intuition, while number 3 encourages joyful expression and emotional honesty. 2323 urges both individuals to remain open, spiritually aligned, and communicative. It can also be a sign that twin flame union is approaching, provided both partners are nurturing self-growth, compassion, and truthful emotional exchanges. What does angel number 2323 for manifestation? Angel number 2323 is highly supportive of manifestation through inspired action and clear communication. This number encourages you to stay positive, use your creativity, and speak your desires into reality. The combined vibrations of 2 and 3 suggest that your thoughts, words, and collaborations are shaping your future. By aligning your heart with your goals and expressing them clearly, you amplify your power to manifest. The number also reminds you that divine support is available. Your angels are helping you turn intentions into tangible results. Focus on your goals, trust the process, and take steps fueled by joy and belief. How does angel number 2323 affect finances? In financial matters, angel number 2323 suggests that prosperity will flow when you balance cooperation with creativity. It encourages you to approach money matters with clear communication and strategic planning. Number 2's influence points to partnerships or teamwork as sources of financial growth, while number 3 brings innovative ideas and entrepreneurial spirit. This number signals that success is possible if you remain optimistic and share your ideas or skills. Whether through collaboration, a creative project, or a supportive network, 2323 highlights a time of financial potential, provided you align your mindset with abundance and stay proactive in your actions. What does angel number 2323 mean for former relationships? Angel number 2323 regarding former relationships speaks to closure, forgiveness, and learning from the past. It encourages emotional healing through honest reflection and peaceful communication. If you've held on to regret or unresolved feelings, this number urges you to release them. Number 2 calls for compassion and balance, while number 3 emphasizes self-expression and growth. This combination suggests that former relationships taught you valuable lessons. Use these to move forward with wisdom and grace. Whether reconnection is possible or not, 2323 guides you to prioritize your emotional well-being, speak your truth, and create space for healthier, more aligned relationships ahead. How does angel number 2323 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 2323 promotes teamwork, creativity, and purposeful communication. It signals that now is a time to embrace collaborative projects, share ideas, and use your talents to inspire others. Number 2 highlights balance and cooperation, while number 3 encourages innovation and joyful expression. If you've been considering a career change or creative pursuit, this number supports you in taking steps aligned with your passions. It also reminds you to speak clearly, listen actively, and lead with positivity. The energy of 2323 brings professional harmony and growth when you combine vision, connection, and inspired action. What are the strengths of angel number 2323? The strengths of angel number 2323 lie in its emphasis on communication, creativity, and emotional intelligence. It fosters strong interpersonal connections, artistic expression, and spiritual growth. Individuals aligned with this number tend to be empathetic, expressive, and optimistic. They thrive in environments where collaboration and innovation are encouraged. 2323 also brings a natural ability to inspire and uplift others through words and actions. This number supports clarity of purpose, joyful energy, and intuitive guidance. Its repeating pattern strengthens inner confidence and a deep sense of spiritual support. It's a number that excels at uniting people and sparking meaningful transformation. What are the weaknesses of angel number 2323? The weaknesses associated with angel number 2323 can include scattered energy, overdependence on others' opinions, or avoidance of conflict. While it promotes harmony, it may lead to indecisiveness or a reluctance to assert personal need. The strong influence of number may third result in being overly focused on external validation or jumping between creative ideas without follow-through. Additionally, the desire to keep peace, from number 2, might cause avoidance of necessary confrontations or emotional suppression. To overcome these weaknesses, this number urges self-discipline, clarity of intention, and trusting your own voice even when it challenges the status quo.